Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of transferring Tesla ownership using the mobile app. Whether you're selling, gifting, or buying a used Tesla, this streamlined process, updated as of December 2025, makes transfers faster and more secure than ever before. We will cover how Tesla has integrated digital ownership records with physical title transfers, minimizing paperwork and speeding up handovers. Understanding the difference between digital and physical ownership is crucial for Tesla ownership transfers. Digital ownership is managed entirely through the Tesla mobile app. This digital access grants you important benefits like supercharging network access, over-the-air software updates, and warranty claims. The app securely manages your vehicle's electronic records and permissions. Physical ownership, on the other hand, refers to the legal title of the vehicle. This is managed by government entities like the Department of Motor Vehicles, or DMV. Physical ownership involves official paperwork, vehicle registration, and legal documentation that proves you are the rightful owner of the car. In the Tesla ownership transfer process, the app handles the digital transfer seamlessly, updating all electronic records and access permissions instantly. However, for complete transfers, especially sales and financed vehicles, you may still need to visit a Tesla service center or authorized partner to finalize the physical title transfer through official channels. If you're the seller, start by logging into your Tesla app. Select the vehicle you want to transfer from your list of vehicles in the app. Choose the Transfer Ownership option from the vehicle menu. Enter the new owner's details, including their name, email, and Tesla account information if they have one. This initiates the digital transfer process. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. As the buyer, you'll receive a notification in your Tesla app or via email. Accept the transfer in your Tesla app. Provide any required payment details if it's a sale. Tesla will verify the VIN to ensure the vehicle isn't stolen or involved in fraud. This verification process is a critical safety measure. When transferring Tesla ownership, the completion process differs based on whether you're gifting the vehicle or selling it, and whether financing is involved. For gifting or private sales without financing, the Tesla app handles everything digitally. Once both the giver and receiver complete their steps in the app, the transfer is confirmed instantly, updating the vehicle's digital records, including access to superchargers and warranty. However, for financed vehicles or sales that require official title transfer, you'll need to visit a Tesla service center or authorized partner. This ensures the paperwork is completed at the DMV, maintaining legal compliance and preventing issues with registration or insurance. Tesla's hybrid approach balances the convenience of digital transfers with the legal requirements of physical paperwork. This ensures that all transfers are both efficient and legally binding, protecting both buyers and sellers in the process. Tesla's app includes several safety features to prevent fraud. Mandatory identity checks and VIN verification add layers of security to ensure the vehicle isn't stolen or involved in fraudulent activity. Additionally, transfers can be revoked within 24 hours if disputed, providing an extra safety net for both parties. In early 2025, Tesla introduced AI-assisted verification, including biometric authentication, to further enhance security during the transfer process. These measures protect both buyers and sellers during the transfer process, ensuring safe and secure Tesla ownership transfers. When purchasing a used Tesla, thorough inspection and verification are essential to ensure you're making a safe investment. Always perform a comprehensive vehicle inspection, checking for any visible damage, mechanical issues, or unusual wear patterns. Next, always check the vehicle's history using professional services. Carfax reports provide comprehensive accident history, title problems, and service records. Tesla's own service records show maintenance history and any warranty claims. For Tesla-specific service information, access the vehicle's maintenance records through Tesla's system. This shows all service actions, recalls addressed, and software updates performed on the vehicle. Most importantly, never make payment until the ownership transfer is fully completed through the Tesla app. The seller initiates the transfer, you accept it via your Tesla account, and both parties receive confirmation. only proceed with payment after this digital transfer is confirmed. Incomplete transfers can result in lost access to superchargers, over-the-air updates, and warranty services. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, contact Tesla support immediately for assistance. Following these steps ensures a safe and successful used Tesla purchase. The trend is moving towards full digitization of vehicle ownership. By 2027-2028, Tesla aims to enable DMV-integrated transfers in all U.S. states, potentially eliminating physical titles for EVs altogether. Future features may include AI-driven personalization, automatic warranty transfers, and expanded options for gifting. While challenges like regulatory hurdles and cybersecurity risks remain, the future of Tesla ownership transfers is undoubtedly digital, efficient, and secure.